Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded anything, but work has just been kind of crazy and I'm still like settling into my apartment. I think it's about like 70% done now. I've gotten a lot more plants since then. There's one right behind me, that's a ZZ plant. Planning to get a few more because I think I'm gonna become a plant mom from now on. But yeah, so I'm doing a February favorites now because I didn't do one last month, obviously, and I know it's March, but I didn't want to miss it, and I just wanted to share some things that I've been loving, not just like in February, I guess, but just like in general lately. Yeah, let's get started. So if you've seen some of my previous videos, I think you would know that I've been loving candles lately just because I have such a small kitchen that I feel like I need to just like light candles to help like get rid of any like food smells. So I came across this brand called Commodity. This is the scent in Orris. It smells so good. It almost smells like a perfume. It doesn't like really smell what's the word I'm looking for? Like floral or like fruity or anything. It just smells like a really, really good perfume. And they do perfumes with this scent as well, and I've tried it on my wrist. Really liked it. Might pick it up at some point, but yeah, I really like the packaging as well. I love this. I've been like going to spin class pretty regularly now. I have a smoothie every morning now instead of having the yogurt. So I was using an immersion blender before in the mornings just to see if I liked that whole smoothie thing, and it took forever, and I finally like, you know, kind of did some research and got a Ninja blender. I'll show you. If I can, I'll try to insert some clips of me making smoothies, but I don't know. But this is the Ninja IQ, Auto IQ. It's like, so it comes with 3 size cups. I only use the small ones because I only make them in the mornings and after my workouts. So this is so the Auto IQ has like 4 settings, I guess. The thing that I use is just like the Auto IQ blend, which does it, I think, in 45 seconds. You just press it and it does it automatically. You don't have to like stand there manually and like press it, although you could. But I just use this like every morning. I've been loving it. I feel healthier, I guess. I don't really like yogurt, but I eat it because like it's good for you. So now instead I have smoothies and I just like have a ton of fresh fruits, or frozen fruits rather, and I will put like nut butters and yogurts in there as well, just a little bit. There's something going on outside. But yeah, so I just put like fruits, sometimes veggies in here, and I use this every morning. All right, and on that note, so I've been putting matcha in my smoothies every morning as well because I think it's just like a nice way to get a little caffeine boost. I don't have coffee in the morning just because it upsets my stomach. I usually have coffee in the afternoon after lunch. So I drink green tea throughout the day, but lately with the smoothies, I've been adding matcha into those as well. So recently I ordered some matcha from Amazon actually. This is the ceremonial grade. I also have like the culinary grade. That's the one I usually put in my smoothies, but this one I just make it by itself. I love matcha and I feel like, I don't know, I just love having it. And now I like the ritual of using the whisk and blending it and making a little green drink. So I've been using this as well in the mornings. The culinary grade is also great. I've definitely made this for my mom and she loves it too. I like mine with cream and sugar. She just likes it with hot water, but yeah, I love this. I feel like we're getting into a little matcha segment here, but with that I should bring up the matcha whisk as well. So I keep it in its container to hold its shape. So this is like a bamboo whisk made especially for matcha whisking. It's different, like you can't really use like a regular whisk, like a balloon whisk. I've done that before, it doesn't work. This blends it in seamlessly. You just mix in like a little bit of like the matcha with a little bit of hot water. You whisk it and then you add in the rest of the hot water, steamed milk, what have you. But yeah, this has really made a difference in making like my matcha drinks. So I just wash it with cold water and just put it back in this guy. You can't do this on camera. And just like put it back in. I probably use it about twice a week. I have not had a hair dryer since I've moved in. I don't use hair dryers very often anyway, but I just like sort of got rid of my old one because it was just like a really cheap one from CVS. And I decided to invest in something a little bit nicer. So I know that like Babyliss is a really good one. I remember Anna from the Anna Edit uses that one. I decided to give that brand a try. Let me show you what I have. Ooh. So this is the Babyliss Pro TT hair dryer. So I guess this is the first like nice blow dryer that I've ever had. I really like it. I feel like it does dry my hair a little bit faster. I like that it's lightweight, and I feel like it makes my hair shiny. Instead of like some other hair dryers, it might make my hair a little bit frizzy. I don't use it all the time. I usually like to let my hair air dry, but if I'm ever in a rush or I just like feel like I don't want to go to bed with my hair wet, I will pull this baby out, and yeah, I think it's great. I've had it for a few weeks now. I think it's pretty awesome. Okay, so this next item I think is the only beauty item that I have on the list. Yeah, it's pretty much, I mean, if you count the hair dryer, but it's pretty much the only beauty item that I have. So I'm really late on this. I know everyone talks about it, but this is the Urban Decay All-Nighter. I finally decided to pick one up. I picked the small size up just to give it a try. I really like it. I don't know why I didn't try it sooner. I guess I'm just like not huge on primers or like setting stuff because my faces get oily, and I guess I'm a little bit skeptical about those products. But I've used this a few times and I wanted my makeup to really last, and it does really like last. So I feel like it's like hairspray for your skin, or for your makeup rather. I feel like it's not like it's super noticeable, but I do feel like it's when you put hairspray in your hair, it's like you know it's there. That's how I feel about this one. It doesn't necessarily like feel like a film on my skin, but I do know that it's there. It's not uncomfortable or anything, but it does help with staying power, especially like skin products. I don't know if this really like affects my eyes just because I'm not like spraying this on my eyes, but I do really like this product, and I think once it runs out I will pick up a larger one, and I should have done this sooner. Alright, so my last item is actually kind of a random one, but I feel like I haven't mentioned it yet, but it's actually the chair that I'm sitting on. I know you can't see it, and I'll include a clip, but it's the West Elm Ellis Armchair. I don't know if you can see the color here. I don't think you can. But it's just like what I've been filming on, and it's such a comfortable chair. I got this with the intention of using it for a desk, but I have not ordered a desk yet. I'm waiting for it to go on sale on West Elm. But I just like love the material. I think it's twill. I'll obviously include the links to everything that I mentioned down below. But it's just like a really nice chair. It goes with the theme of my home. I guess like the theme of my home is like beige and white, or like mid-century. But yeah, I really like this chair. I don't know. I guess I'm becoming kind of old and boring now. So those were my February favorites. I do plan to have an Everlane video coming soon. I think I'll like just have all of my Everlane purchases that I've ever made in that video. So hopefully they'll be coming soon. I think I might bring the monthly vlog back, but yeah, daylight savings is tomorrow. I had jury duty on Monday, which got canceled, which is great. But yeah, spring is almost here, so I'll stop rambling. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful March, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!